welcome and welcome back to your favorite class, and that is arts class. I am your teacher Paradipa. Today we are going to learn about something amazing. Yes. First of all, you have to take off your shoes. Yeah, I am going to do like this. Alhamdulillah, my shoes is neat, okay? Have your shoes in your hands. Now I have to stand. Take a chart of paper. Okay, take a chart of paper. Place the shoe on it. Place the shoe on it and then draw outline of the shoe. You can draw an outline with the marker also. Here is my scissors. Wait, I will tell you. You have to use the scissors. Scissors. See the outline of a shoe. Outline of a shoe. What is it giving you? Like what kind of a look it is giving you? You are going to make. Okay, you are going to make an eye. Okay. Here, the gills. What is it? What is it? What is it? Yes, exactly. This is the fish. We are going to cut this fish now. We are going to cut this fish now. This fish we are going to cut now. Wait, class. So you need to cut it like this. Yeah, this like this. What we are gonna do is to color it. You can have the crayons. I'm going to make it orange. It is done. I have to think I have to paste then. See? Orange. I'm going to make a combination of yellow, and then red. This is the fish you have made. Now, what you are going to do is paste the fish on any chart of paper. Like I have pasted it here. Let me paste the blue. You know, my daughter wasted my everything, so I don't have anything to show you. I have to buy everything new every time. This is just to show you. You are not like supposed to do this. I need to paste it here. The chart paper. Now the question that is rising in your mind is that why I have pasted this chart over here. This is for you, a fish or a chart only, okay? Now what I am going to do is, I am going to make this thing an aquarium. Yes. See, it looks like that the fish is swimming in the water. See, this is the fish and aquarium for you. I hope you like this art. You can use different colors of water to make it give a look of something. See, like an octopus in the aquarium, small octopus, like one more fish in the water, like an orange flowers. So this is your art, mean a fish and aquarium for you. Look. A fish is swimming in the aquarium, in an aquarium. Okay, class? So have fun. This is the second last class of our term 2. I will be meeting you in next class, next week. Till the time, take care. Allah Hafiz.